Man, I'm starving, and this cupcake looks so good. I wish I could have it. Have you ever seen something that you really want but don't have access to or can't afford? Well, fret no more. Devlin Incorporated has just released their newest product, ScanPix. What does it do? ScanPix is a line of watches that takes 2D images and turns them into 3D objects. But how does it work? Using cutting-edge technology, our inventors have successfully created a product that could change society as we know it. On the front of the watch, there are two buttons, a red one and a green one. The red one releases a ray that scans the 2D image, and the green one releases the 3D object into real life. Cool! Can I try? Of course!
Actress.
Whoa, it actually works! And it tastes as good as it looks. I can't wait to see what else we can scan. ScanPix can scan any 2D image, from food to animals and everything in between. But wait, how much is it? ScanPix watches are only $49.99 and they last a lifetime, guaranteed. Yay! I'm gonna get mine right now! Woohoo!
ScanPix. See it, scan it, love it.